And the last tool that we have here under corners is corner relief tool. With this tool, we can cut away some material to be easier to bend and manufacture. So here we don't have corner relief. So here we can create a corner relief. So let's go here. Let's select corner relief tool. So automatically here is selected sheet metal body here. This one here. And down here we have to select the corner, or we can use here collect all corners. Let's select this one, collect all corners. And now here we have 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we have automatically selected the faces. And down here we have relief type. So here we have rectangular, for example, like this one. Now if we get closer, we can see here the preview. Let's click OK. And this is rectangular relief that we have created here. Now let's try to flatten this. If we get closer, here we can see the relief type, rectangular, like this. Now you have to keep in mind, everything that you create here in Solidworks doesn't mean that you can create in the real life. So you have to be careful. So you have to ask yourself, how would I be able to create this form here? Now let's unflatten this. Now let's go here to the corner relief. Let's go with edit feature. Like this. Now the next type that we have here is circular, then here we have tier, then here we have obround, and then here we have constant width. All of those relief types we shown in the previous lectures. Now let's exit corner relief. Let's right click and let's delete this. Let's go with yes. Like this. Now let's go here to the flattened version again. Now we're going to try to apply corner relief tool on the flattened version. So let's go here to the corner, and the only tool that we have here is corner trim. Let's select this tool. So here we have relief options, and down here we have break corner options that we used in the previous lecture. So here we have to select corner edges, or we can go with collect all corners. Let's collect them like this, and now here we can see our relief. Here we have relief type. We have a circular, we can go with square, and we can go with bend waist like this. And here we can change dimensions. So we can change the radius here. If we have a square, we can change the side length. For example, we can go with 20 like this. Here we have an option ratio to thickness. So if we change our thickness, this relief will always be the size of the thickness. And here we have circular like this. Let's uncheck here ratio to thickness. Let's go here with 25 like this. And now this is result. Let's click OK. And now here we have our relief. Let's unflatten this. Let's get closer. And this relief we don't have here. So you can use those corner reliefs in the flattened version at the end of the sheet metal component creation. Now let's go here to the flattened version again. Now we can see back again our reliefs here. Now if we see on the feature manager design tree, we can see that corner trim goes after flat pattern. That's why when we suppress flat pattern, corner trim is automatically suppressed. Now let's go here to the corner trim, edit feature. Let's go here to the square, like this. Now here we have a square. We have also here option add filleted corners. Let's go here with 5. And now here we have filleted corners. Let's click OK. And now we got this result. So this is how you can cut some material to be easier to bend and manufacture. If you have your version of the Solidworks, maybe you have option 3 corners relief. But here in the Solidworks 2016, we can only create corner reliefs between 2 corners. And this is the end of this chapter. In the next chapter, we're going to show more advanced tools in the sheet metal creation.